Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss how to read decimal numbers with decimal parts 2000. So let's go. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, today we will discuss the Mathematics 5 Quarter 2 week number 3, day number 4, focusing on read decimal numbers with decimal parts 2000s. In this quarter, the learner competency, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to read decimal numbers with decimal parts 2000. Now, how do you read a decimal numbers? Let's try this one. We have 0.769. Now, let's determine the place value of 0. So that would be ones. We already discussed it in our previous lesson. So it reads as 0. Then we have 7. Digit 7, the place value of digit 7 is tens. So it combines the digit and the place value. So therefore the answer is 7 tens. And then we have the digit 6. Take note to the digit and then the place value, hundreds. Therefore 6 hundreds is the answer. And then we have 9, the digit 9. And then the place value of 9 is 1000. Is read as 9 thousands. Okay? Now, let's have some another example to further analyze how to read the decimal numbers up to thousands. Now, example number 1, we have 0.5. It is read as 0.5. But what would be the proper way to read this decimal number? First, what should be the decimal number? The decimal number is 5. And then, what do you think is the highest place value of 0.5? The highest place value is tens. And then, it combined 5 tens. Is read as 5 tens. Simple as that. Now, let's try another one. We have the decimal number 62. Okay? And then, what would be the highest place value of 0.62? That would be hundreds. We have tens and hundreds. And then it read as 62 hundreds. Combine the decimal number and the highest place value. We have 62 hundreds. For example, number 3, we have 0.125. Now, take note the decimal number. We have 125. 125. Then, what would be the highest place value? We have thousands. Combine the two, we have decimal number and the highest place value, 125 thousands. Simple as that, 125,000. Next, what if we have a whole number? How do I read this example? 2.5. Now, as simple as this one. First, you're going to read the whole number. The whole number is 2. And then, read the decimal as end. Again, if you read the decimal, not point. Okay? So, again, read the decimal as end. So, we have 2 end. 2 end. Again, 2 end. Now, focusing to decimal number, we have 5. And then the highest place value is tens. Now, combine 2 and 5 tens. 2 and 5 tens. That will be the answer. Okay? Next, we have example number 4. Again, start with the whole number. We have 4. And then, the decimal point read as end. And then, we have 15 as a decimal number. We have 15. And then the highest place value of 15 is hundreds. Now we have 4 and 15 hundreds. So combine. So therefore the answer is 4 and 15 hundreds. That's it. As simple as that. Okay? Now, example number 6. Oops. we have two decimal numbers. Two whole number. So, read the whole number first. We have 67. 67. We have the decimal point. We have end. And then we have 241. Write the decimal numbers. 241. Okay? And then combine by adding the highest place value, thousands. 67 and 241 thousands. That would be the answer. 67 and 241 thousands. Okay? That's it. Now, for example, we have 45 and 45.6. How do I read this one? Again, read the whole number first. We have 45. And then, take note, the decimal point read as end. And we have the decimal number 6 read as 6. And then the highest place value is tens. So, combine 45 and 6 tens. Okay? Simple as that. We have now example number 8. First, read the whole number. We have 12. Then, the decimal point read as end. And we have the decimal number 47. And then, the highest place value is hundreds. So, we have 47 hundreds. Therefore, combine it. 12 and 47 hundreds. Okay? Next, example number 9. Last example, we have the whole number 9. And then the decimal point end. And then we have the decimal number 326. 326. And the highest place value is thousands. Therefore, the answer is 9 and 326,000. Okay? Okay. So, now let's have some guided practice. Try reading this decimal aloud. Okay? So, try it on your own. Number 1, we have 45.6. What would be the answer? Correct. The answer is 45 and 6 tenths. Number 2, we have 12 and 12.47. What would be the answer? Correct. The answer is 12 and 47 hundredths. Number 3, we have 9.326. What do you think is the proper way to read this one? Correct. The answer is 9 and 326 thousands. The highest place value is thousands. And then we have number 4. We have 0.085. As you can see, we have 2 zeros. Now, how do I read this one? The correct answer is 85. Oh, this would be 85. The decimal number is 85 only. So, 85. Then, the highest place value is thousands. So, therefore, the answer is 85 thousands. Okay? So, simple as that. Now, so, take note, in steps in reading decimal numbers, first read the whole number. That would be the number before the decimal point. And say end for the decimal point. And read the decimal digit as a whole number. Say the highest place value to the last digit. Okay? That's it. So, try to answer this one. Practice your skills. Read the following. Okay? So, comment down your answer in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.